The Assist app for iPhone and iPad lets teachers scan bubble sheets instantly, grade short answers, essays, or performances from anywhere, and provide instant feedback to students. Before you use Assist, note that you'll need an All-in-Learning account with your classes set up. If you don't have an account, ask your admin. If your school doesn't have All-in-Learning, contact us for information. The first step is to connect to your All-in-Learning cloud account. In Assist for iPad, tap Settings. On iPhone, tap More and then Settings. Enter your All-in-Learning account info and tap Done. Next, sync your classes. Tap the Home button and choose Sync Classes. Then tap the Grade button and download an assessment from your account. Or tap in a key. Now it's time to grade. Select your assessment and class and choose Yes or No to save images of your scans. Place bubble sheets straight and flat and center the sheet's outer rectangle in the red guide on the screen. See the student's name and score at the top. Tap Questions to see their answers and give immediate feedback. Tap Done to go back to scanning. After this scan, it shows a 2 in parentheses. These are questions that couldn't be scanned. Tap Questions to see the problems. For question 3, the student crossed out A and put B, so tap B for him. He left question 4 blank, so count it as incorrect. To get the best scans, bubbles need to be dark enough, and you can avoid reflections off pencil lead or lamination by simply changing the angle. Tap Questions to grade rubrics and short answers manually. Tap to count a short answer correct or incorrect, and slide the rubric slider to adjust the score. Then tap Done. When you're finished, tap End and then Yes. Choose to upload the results so you can get access to great standards-based reports and heat maps, and to make sure common assessment data is available for your team. The last step is to decide what you want to do with the time you just saved.